Hello out there. This is maude. Let me get this thing off my face here. This is maude fricket, and I got some information for you that you're not going to get other places about this COVID virus stuff. Let me tell you now. Okay, now, especially these TV doctors like Dr. Phil and Dr. Oz. Now, let's talk for a minute about this Dr. Phil. He's not your regular doctor who'll treat you a rash or give you that colonoscopy with that tube up your booty hole. No, no, no. He got people coming on the show like this. One lady said, Dr. Phil, I'm overweight. And he said, well, dear, don't eat that much. Or a guy, an alcoholic, and Dr. Phil said, well, stop drinking. You won't be an alcoholic no more. You know, excuse me, I have my medicine here now. So these doctors here, now Dr. Oz, he's a real doctor. He's a surgeon. He can cut out parts of your body that you don't need, like a spleen, extra ovary, or you men, you want to get a testicle you don't need. He can cut that out like that. I tell you, he's good with that stuff. So now, you see, I'm talking about old folk medicine, been around for a long time, and I think that's going to be very effective with all this virus and bugs going around. Now, have you heard of a poultice? What that is a cloth bag, and it's placed over the painful area of the patient. And what that has, hard to find, but you need crushed bull testicles, powdered quail eggs, and again, creamed frog legs. That'll work. Now, have you heard of chicken bones? No, you don't eat this stuff. It's an old African method. Now, you jiggle these bones over this patient while you do an African dance. Works. Trust old maude fricket. Now, here's my favorite. Duck butter rub. What it is, it's pasteurized goat sperm, and you rub that on the chest, feel like $1 million. I sure know that. And now, this other one here, well, give it a try if nothing else works. It's blood-sucking leeches. But be careful. Keep those leeches away from your testicles, man, or your genitals. That can sure hurt. Now, last but not least, you men. This also you're not going to hear on no TV doctor. Have you heard of the TURD syndrome? TURD. That stands for testicle under rectum distress. This happens when a man sits on his own scrotum because of its overgrown size. Yes. Now, my husband said it's very painful, so be careful about you men with big balls. Okay, now, let's talk. You try calling Dr. Oz show. Ask if they have any advice on the TURD syndrome. Now, and I'll close with a little bit of a personal note here. I had a volunteer job at the suicide hotline, and they asked me to leave. Maybe it's my fault. I told these poor suckers, you want to commit suicide? Well, know this, no life matters. Okay, bye for now, folks. Say hallelujah.